Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. Processing streams of data is just one of the things that KSQLDB can do. It's very powerful to be able to filter, join, and enrich events as they happen. But we often want to look beyond individual events and at the bigger picture too. That's where aggregates come in. We can answer questions like, how many times has someone moved? What's the total value of orders placed in the last hour? KSQLDB supports those types of stateful aggregations. We call them stateful because even if a KSQLDB node is removed, the aggregation can be rebuilt on another node and retain its accurate state. With KSQLDB, we're not limited to the data in individual events. We can also perform aggregations with functions like count, count distinct, sum, average, min, max, and many more. In our examples, we can see that the total number of location changes a person has made by using count star. We can also find the number of different locations they have visited with count distinct location. The data returned by an aggregation is always a table, with the key being the field or fields in the group by clause. So when we have the query fine-tuned to get the results we are looking for, we can then use the query in a create table as statement to make it persistent. Now, that new table will always have the latest aggregated data for our events. That's it for this lesson. There are many ways to aggregate data, and we'll go through some of those in our exercise.